let's see the factors, the components that must go into making a good report. Suppose you want to make a report of an incident that you happen to witness. You may write it down and then make it into certain factors and components that makes the report look good. It must look good to the reader. First and foremost, your article needs a headline. The headline must attract attention. It must have an appeal to the viewer so that the viewer finds it nice to enter into that headline. Maybe to purchase a newspaper, maybe to keep his focus on the headline. So headline, if not shocking, at least must have some element of surprise and more appeal. Further from the headline, you must have a lead line, L-E-A-D, lead. Something that gives a lead, something that does not explain the content, but again reinforces and holds the attention of the viewer from the headline and then to the lead. Now the lead must capture his need to further discover what's under the lead, the story. And the third element is for us to do an immense research, a good detailed study of the story itself and see if it's appropriate and connected to the lead. The story, if it's in a video, the story must have a match with the commentary. Many times I find the commentary is disconnected with the visual itself. But that's not good reporting. We have yet to arrive at the main content of the story. The story needs to tell why this happened at all. It needs to tell who kick-started the whole effort, who has put the effort, who has initiated this activity, and what really happened. And this must be done with immense research so that you can give accurate figures and very accurate fact. Fact must become evident in your reporting. So you have covered now what has happened and why it has happened and who kick-started the whole story or the event. Now, how did it happen? What are the elements, the factors, the other components that went or came together, went into making this entire event happen? That must be articulated in the report. Then we need to further describe the story. When I say describe, I mean with the right words so that it is still very crisp. The description is yet crisp and concise with the right appropriate use of words to reinforce the lead and the who, the how, the what, and the why into the story. Now we are ready for the where and the when, the place that the event is happening and the duration and the date and the time that is happening. That's very important. After having done all this and probably even mentally edited the whole thing, we need to throw in some background, some context, so that the perspective is set right from the viewers. The viewer, when he is seeing your video, the report, or reading this article, he must understand the context and he must get the right perspective of things, which is very neutral, that you would not sound lopsided. And finally, if to give a complete report, now this requires immense experience. You can throw in a little of who won or who lost or who benefited and who gained or who failed. Finally, your article or your report needs to have a differentiator of what could have happened if things had turned a different way, if things did not happen this way, and what could have been the result, what could have been the consequences. Now this is a differentiator, and only if you are a very good expert need you add a differentiator to your reporting and your article.